Welcome. This video will guide you through adding order forms to your Wix website using Wix Forms and payments. Order forms are essential for selling products, taking service bookings, collecting donations, and more. By the end of this video, you'll be able to create customized, secure, and effective order forms without needing any coding skills. First, access the Wix editor to begin building your order form. Next, add a form element from the Add panel. Look for the Forms section to select a contact or order form template. Now customize the form fields. Add basic fields like name and email for customer information. For product selection, use drop-downs or radio buttons to let customers choose items. Add quantity fields using number inputs and include payment details sections. Enable validation to ensure accurate data entry, preventing errors before submission. Finally, add conditional logic for a personalized experience, such as showing shipping options only when a product is selected. To start accepting payments on your Wix order forms, you'll need to connect your form to Wix Payments or another payment provider available in the Wix App Market. First, connect your form to Wix Payments by accessing the Wix App Market. Search for and install the Wix Payments app, then follow the Setup wizard to link your merchant account. Next, set up your merchant account by providing your business details, banking information, and verifying your identity. This ensures secure processing and allows you to enable various payment methods like cards, PayPal, and mobile payments. Configure your currency settings to accept payments worldwide. Wix supports more than 135 currencies, so choose your primary one and set up multi-currency options to serve international customers effectively. Configure tax calculations to handle various tax requirements automatically. Set up rates by location, configure VAT or sales tax rules, and choose between tax-inclusive or tax-exclusive pricing to ensure compliance. Utilize webhooks to automate processes after payments. Set them up to trigger confirmations, update databases, or connect to external services like email providers or CRM systems when payment events occur. Finally, ensure your payment form complies with PCI DSS standards for secure payment data handling. Wix automatically handles encryption and provides regular security updates to protect sensitive information. Customization and automation are key to making your Wix order forms effective and efficient. Use Wix's drag-and-drop editor to style your form and align it with your site's theme. This ensures your order form looks professional and matches your brand. To automate workflows, integrate tools like Zapier for CRM syncing. This helps streamline your business processes, as shown in this automated workflow diagram. Optimizing user experience is crucial for higher conversions on your order forms. Keep your order forms concise by aiming for 5 to 7 fields to minimize cart abandonment. According to Wix data, forms with over 10 fields experience a 20 to 30% drop in conversions. Test your form for accessibility, including screen reader compatibility, to comply with WCAG guidelines. With mobile commerce accounting for 60% of global e-commerce, ensure your form is fully responsive. Wix provides automatic mobile previews and touch-friendly elements. Now let's explore some advanced tips and best practices for maximizing your Wix order forms. Wix's AI-powered features revolutionize form design by offering intelligent suggestions based on your business type. In 2025, 40% of Wix users are leveraging these tools to create optimized order forms for product sales or service bookings, reducing setup time by up to 50%. For enhanced security, set up real-time fraud detection in your order forms. Wix's AI system, added in Q3 2025, blocks 99.9% of suspicious transactions using advanced algorithms and biometric authentication. Follow the step-by-step process shown here to build a robust fraud prevention system. If you require complex automations beyond basic forms, consider migrating to Wix Studio. This advanced platform supports intricate workflows, multi-vendor marketplaces, and deep integrations for enterprise-level order processing. Expand your reach by integrating order forms with social media and apps. Since mid-2025, Wix supports TikTok Shop connections, enabling seamless e-commerce across platforms and tapping into the growing trend of omnichannel commerce. Let's address common troubleshooting issues when working with Wix order forms and payments. Some users experience occasional glitches with third-party integrations, such as payment gateways like Stripe or PayPal, failing to process transactions properly. To resolve these issues, keep your Wix platform updated by installing the monthly patches released by Wix, which address bugs and enhance security. If you encounter issues, consult the Wix Help Center for detailed guides or reach out to community forums where other users share solutions and experiences. Remember to test your forms thoroughly before launching. Preview them on different devices, submit test entries, and check for error messages to catch potential issues early. Finally, regularly review analytics data to monitor form performance. Track conversion rates, bounce rates, and user feedback to make ongoing optimizations and boost success.